This clip was made with Veo 3.1, Google's best video model. On the paid plan, the handful of clips I made for this video would have run me about $60. I paid nothing, zero, and it's not one lucky trick. The three best paid AI video models on the planet right now, Veo 3.1, Seedance 2.0, Sora 2, every single one of them has a free door most people don't know exists. Not trials, not watermark junk that screams made with AI. The actual models, full 1080p, clean. I'm showing you three sites. The first one's unlimited, and the third one is basically a slot machine that hands you models you can't even buy yet, for free. Fastest first, most fun last. By the end of this video, you'll never pay for AI video again. Let's go.
Here's the plan, quick. Snapgen gets you Veo 3.1 free and unlimited, that's tool 1. Dola gets you Seedance 2.0, a different model with its own audio, tool 2. And the last one, Arena, is a little bit of a gamble, and it's my favorite, because when it hits, you get the most expensive models on Earth for $0. Stay for tool 3. It's the one nobody's talking about. Tool 1, and it's the simplest, snapgen.ai. You sign in with a Google account, and this is the trick. Veo 3.1 becomes unlimited. Not a trial, not a credit cap, infinite generations. 1080p. One honest catch. It's Veo 3.1 and only Veo 3.1. No Sora, no Cling, no menu, one model. But it's unlimited, so this is your workhorse. The tool you spam when you just need Veo output and a lot of it. What I use Snapgen for? Anything with dialogue or a talking character, because Veo's voice generation is still the best of the three. Write the lines in the prompt, add no subtitles so it doesn't burn captions in, done. And one thing that trips people up, Snapgen shows the paid models in the same menu, sitting there behind a credit wall. Don't touch those. The free one's usually labeled, and it's the only one you need. Here's the mindset shift though. Because it's unlimited, never settle for your first clip. Run the same prompt 4-5 times and keep the best one. Everywhere else on this list, you're rationing generations. Here you're not, so use that. Bad output on Snapgen is a free reroll, not a wasted credit. Here's a handful straight out of Snapgen. All Veo 3.1, all unlimited, all free. The tool you'll use most.
40 years at sea, and the ocean still owes me money.
Long day. For you. I ran on a single AA battery.
You've been paying for this. You didn't have to. It's all free here at Snapgen.
I don't do mornings, and I don't do walks. I'm not a dog.
But when you want a different look, tool 2. Quick mention, if a free path to paid tools is useful, subscribe, this is the whole channel. And the free PDF for this video has all three sites, the exact free tier settings for each, and the prompts I'm using on screen. No email wall, first link in the description. Grab it, then keep watching. Tool 2, Dola. This one runs Seedance 2.0, ByteDance's model, and it's a different flavor from Veo. Dola gives you about 5 or 6 free generations a day, 5 seconds each. Not a lot, so this isn't your volume tool, Snapgen is. This is your quality tool, because Seedance's edge is the model itself. It generates native audio, so sound and lip sync are baked in like Veo, but its motion is more cinematic. Smoother camera moves, better physics, that filmic feel. So you spend your handful of daily Dola clips on the hero shots that need to look expensive, and spam Snapgen for everything else. And since you've only got 5 clips a day, don't waste them on bad prompts. 2 rules. 1. Give it a single clear action per clip. Slow push in on a lighthouse as the waves crash. Beats a whole paragraph every time. 5 seconds can't hold a full scene. 2. Keep dialogue to 1 line because anything longer gets rushed or cut off. Treat every Dola clip like one beautiful shot, not a story. Get those 2 right, and your 5 daily clips punch way above a paid subscription. Every one of these is Seedance 2.0. Watch the motion, That's why you save your 5 daily clips for this. Two tools, and you've already got VO and Seedance for free. But the last one is where it gets fun. Arena. It used to be called LM Arena. It's a site where AI models compete. And here's the loophole nobody's using. Arena Battle Mode. 2 clips generating side by side. You go to Video, Arena, Battle Mode. You type 1 prompt. It runs on 2 random premium models. Blind, so you don't know which 2 you got until after. And that pool is the top of the food chain. VO 3.1, Sora 2, Kling 2.6 Pro, sometimes unreleased experimental models with code names. That's the gamble. You don't pick the models, you roll them. Each battle hands you 2 videos from 2 different models, and you get 2 battles. So that's 4 premium clips, free. And some days you'll pull a model that isn't even publicly available yet. Output from a generator that has no price because it has no public release. And here's how you make those 2 battles count. Write a prompt that shows off fast motion, water, fur, a face turning to camera. The premium models pull ahead exactly where the cheap ones fall apart. So a demanding prompt makes your good rolls look incredible and instantly tells you which model you landed. And don't sleep on the image to video option. Drop in a still and battle that. Image to video is where Sora and Kling really flex. And it's the same 2 free battles. These are all arena rolls. $0. So now you've got 3 free pipelines and you're making more clips than you can post. That's the real problem. You make a video in 2 minutes, then spend 20 uploading it to TikTok, Shorts, Reels, and Facebook one at a time. That's what I use repurpose.io for. Post once, it pushes everywhere automatically, applies your captions, and strips the TikTok watermark on the way out, which matters because Shorts throttles watermarked reposts. Links in the description. It's an affiliate link, so it supports the channel at no cost to you, and there's a free trial. Test it on this exact workflow.
Quick recap. Snapgen for unlimited VO, that's your volume. Dola for Seedance's 5 cinematic clips a day. Arena when you want to gamble for the best models on the planet, free. Grab the PDF, go roll a few clips tonight, and tell me in the comments, which model did Arena give you? Screenshot your best roll, I want to see it. And that video right there is where I turn these free clips into viral podcast memes. Watch it next.